Let's talk about the weekend. We've been following the model comparisons for Sunday. Will there or won't there be a storm that affects us in the Susquehanna Valley? Well, the storm track is definitely going to be offshore. There'll be an area of low pressure offshore for sure. But does it give us a rain-snow mix like this model is indicating on Sunday, and then maybe ending as some light snow early on Monday? Or does the low come a little closer and give us a slightly better chance for seeing some snow late Sunday into Monday? That's the big question, and these details will be nailed down over the upcoming days. So we're confident that the timing is going to be Sunday into Monday morning. The storm track, moderate confidence on that offshore for sure, but how much snow does it bring us? Totals low, and mix line is low on that too, depending, trying to pin down, I should say, where the rain and snow ends up. Here's a look at our 10-day forecast. We do have that chance of rain snow on Sunday, wrapping up early Monday. Look at Monday and Tuesday, kind of chilly to start the week, especially with the wind, but the cold doesn't last long. We're right back to average, if not above average, by the end of the week with another chance of rain showers. So this active pattern continues.